Hey guys, back again with another video. You know, this is a girl city. This is Mukbang, guys. So today this is my second videos of the Mukbang. So guys, let's start. Alright, so guys, today I did steamed fish and crackers. EK, don't come at me. So I did steamed fish and crackers today, guys. Well nice, well delicious, well looking good. So I'm gonna do my videos. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, turn on your post notification, so when I drop another video, guys, you'll be notified. So let's get into the video. Alright, I'm gonna talk about Jamaica steamed fish. So I'm gonna tell you what I use in my steamed fish. Okay guys, so my bone, genius, my bone. So guys, you know, today Friday, I want some steamed fish not Friday evening here. So I decided, so I'm gonna look about some steamed fish. That is what I did. I look about some steamed fish. So guys, what did I use in my steamed fish? Anyway, the fish I really want to use, I never get that to use. You understand? So if you guys know a fish named bangami, although you can use any fish. You can use sliced fish. You can use freshwater fish. Fish or fish. AK. So guys, I use the bangamere, the fish. So guys, this is a fish are beer meat, you know, guys. Beer meat, less bone. You might find some small bone in it, nothing too big. Where, you know what I say? Yeah man, so the beer meat, not a fish, guys. Beer meat. Friday evening, rum cream on the ends. You see guys, get a couple with some ice and no one go on. Enjoy the Friday evening. You see, there you're giving God thanks for this beautiful day. You see guys, so you don't know how it come down. Guys, this bad. So the ingredients that I use, guys, what are they? Eating this fish, guys, you have to be careful, because there's a lot of fine bone in this fish. I mean, no fine bone. Okay, so the ingredients that I use in my fish, guys, I use carrot, sweet pepper, butter, scallion and thyme, okra, chocho, and a lot more. Coconut milk and so. I mean, I tell you guys, it turned out so good. Guys, I'm gonna go faster than this, but I have to take my time because I don't want to bone so come short. So I have to take my time. But I not like guys. Good. Very good. Oh, then I use my my crackers and I place it on the top.
Yeah, he's dangerous, man. He treats me like a test subject, basically.
Turn out very well. Yeah man, very good man, guys. Right now I'm come down more. They call my 10 finger them. Guys, and don't come at me. When they do not come at me, EK, especially you, Don't come at me. No man.
Yeah, I'm out of here documenting. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Alright, let's drive away peacefully.
Guys.
Dude, I cannot wait to show you.
Yo, no one taste this, yo. They call it finger licking good. Finger licking good. Yo, nah, like, fish bad man. That's for come.
Yeah. Like you said, I'll do it. Okay, hurry up. Use them on time. Let me just live, okay?
Bad man, bad.
And guess what? Dr. forces to blow up the city with innocent civilians, man.
Fuckers died.
Innocent people. He said, wait, you still think it's a real city? Yo, there was a soldier here.
Guys, if you don't feel boring, but any other day, when you can go look for some steamed fish, guys. Nah, like, you know?
Yeah, break his leg. Okay. Oh, God. Man, these two are just like beefing it out. Oh, my goodness. All right, I watched the movie, and now you talk about you guys.
Woo. The bone them very fine, guys. So you have to be careful. You don't want the bone them go down your throat, you see? Yeah, man. Guys, man, I like fish. Delicious. Very delicious.
Y'all want to find out? Yeah.
Bad. More juice. This stone knife. KK come from school, guys. When KK come and see the fish, remember me tell you, guys, the fish, the pepper stand up in the fish, guys. Pepper stand up in the fish, me I tell you. The pepper stand up in the fish, guys. Yo. This is a perfect spot. Whoa. Did he just start flying at you? Hey, what's up? I think I can morph into a... No way. I can actually morph into a zombie now. Whoa. You see? What the heck? Okay, let's turn back to myself. What the heck? So this is how it works. Anything I kill, I can turn into fire. I think his armor actually lets him, you know... Yo! Jaja!
Who's that?
This I want for tonight. This I don't want nothing more to eat. Yeah? When I done eat, my belly full, guys. When I say I eat now, which I don't, this alone full my belly. My belly full already, but you understand me, I say? This guy, food bottle. My life. Tiana, over the steamed fish.
It was great.
Pepper, stand up there.
Yeah.
Nah, that bad man. Guys, the fish bottle. And then Spanish. Guys, don't mind me, man. Eat. I'm eating, guys. Guys, you don't want any? We can't put it to the phone and go, you know. What is it?
Don't even think about it. I'm about a one-time view action. Yeah. I bet it does. Look at this. I'm too strong, guys. I'm way too strong as King Kong. He really thinks he's strong. Man, I actually really thinks he's strong. King Kong versus Godzilla, baby. Dude, why am I so tiny. Yo, I'm so
Guys, now like, I can't stop telling them say the fish good.
can you spawn in?
I can't stop telling them say the fish nice. I know I can't stop telling them. Fish damn good. Mmm. Mmm. Guys, this is the make up me them strong back. Firm up your body. You see? Them fish are them firm up your body. Them type of fish there, steam fish. Peel back your body and firm it up. You see? Yeah, man. Some of the man them want some of them steam fish. Yeah. Guys, we don't want a doctor fish them though, but we're gonna get a doctor fish. Guys, this is almost finished. Almost finished.
I just killed Godzilla. Once you kill Kong, I gotta see it. Alright, let's see this fight. Hey, he's been working on his chest, man. Look at Kong. Yeah! Whoa, you just threw it. What the heck? Hey, what the? You just two-pieced him real quick. You know what? I've had enough of you, Action. I've had enough of you. I'm about to transform into Godzilla.
Guys, fish bad. Fish them bad. Guys, one go make one done.
You got a skinny back. I actually had to work for my abs.
Guys, I'm stuffed. But full up. I'm stuffed, guys. I'm stuffed. Belly full. Guys, the very thick and rich. Guys, I'm finished. Yeah, guys. So look more now, I'm going to drink the rum cream here and water vibes. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the day, guys. Hope you all enjoy the rest of the day too. Click the notification bell, guys, so when we drop another banger, you'll be notified, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support and the love that you guys have given me. I really do appreciate it, and I really do appreciate you guys. I love you guys for being here with me through this journey, guys. Big up on yourself. Like, subscribe, share, and comment, guys. Okay? See you in my next video, guys. Love you all. Bye.